Magandang araw sa lahat. A member of the family consulted us regarding their problem on the distribution of their property inherited from their parents. Now, one of the siblings claims that a certain piece of land is now exclusively owned by him, because allegedly that piece of land was donated to him by their mother. So I asked them, was there a document presented to show that that piece of land was indeed donated to him? There was none. So I said, well, there is no donation at all within the meaning of the law. Why? Because under the civil code, for a donation of a real property, like in this case a piece of land, to be valid, the donation must be in a public instrument, meaning a public document, no duly notarized. So I told her, do not worry about that. There is really no donation within the meaning of the law. If ever there was an intent on the part of their mother to donate, that donation is null and void from the very beginning. So mga kababayan, tulad nito, ganun kasi yung mga magkapatid na anak ng mga maraming ari-arian. Pag namatay na yung mga magulang, yan, nag-away-away na, nagkipag-agawan ng property. Well, ulitin ko, wala namang problema sa donasyon na ito na sinasabi. Yung kapatid nyo ang gumagawa lang ng problema. Ayon sa Civil Code of the Philippines, yung donation na yan na sinasabi ng kapatid nyo ay walang bisa, kasi para ang donasyon ng isang lupa o real property na maging valid, dapat ay nakasulat, at hindi lang ordinaryong sulat, dapat notaryado in a public document or instrument. Sana nakapaglingkod na naman itong aming tanggapan para sa kaalaman ng maraming Pilipino sa larangan ng batas. Maraming salamat at magandang araw sa lahat.